What's up, YouTube? I'm rock hounding today after it rained, and I bet you we can find some rock crystal around here today. It's not an area that I've worked on, but I have seen rock crystal in the area before. What's really special today are these birds. I'm really not much of a bird watcher, but there's a whole bunch of these yellow birds. They're yellow and gray with these little white wings, and they kind of just look like people's pet bird. But there's a whole bunch of them. And what's cool is a lot of these, well, what's not cool, oh, there's a perch right there. A lot of these birds, they just become native to somewhere, and to somewhere like Temple City or something. A whole bunch of green birds, or you never know how well some bird will survive once it gets out into the wild. But these are cool. There's a lot of them. Real cool. We're doing bird watching. A lot of times when I'm fishing, I see people bird watching, or when you're rock collecting, you see all the wildlife, but those birds were cool. I didn't see those type of birds before.